Yo, 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 yo! What's up, peeps? Let's get into some cryptocurrency news. A high value man. Some of us are short, some of us are fat, some of us are broke, some of us are lazy. But a high value man, he inspires to be the best version of himself. While many of us are born average, he's not satisfied with being average. Even if he's not there right now, he's always striving to self improve and to become the best version of himself. Does this sound like you? Does this sound like somebody that you want to become? See, with us men, society judges us based on our finances. A high value man takes pride in his finances. He's not only satisfied with being financially stable, but he's always looking for ways to grow. While having a great income, 401k, and stocks are great investments, if you don't have any crypto investments, then you're missing out. You're missing out on being the best high value man that you can be. In this video, we're going to get into the top 5 crypto coins that a high value man should have in their portfolio. Let's go. Alright, so as a high value male, you guys should invest in cryptos, alright? You should have some cryptos, okay? Now, I'm on CoinMarketCap. I'm going to give you guys the top 5 cryptos that I think a high value man should have in their portfolio. Right here, number 1, Bitcoin. Bitcoin, people will see this number, 49,297, and think it's too expensive. When it was $100, people thought it was too expensive. 500, people thought it was too expensive. 1,000, people thought it was too expensive. 10,000, people thought it was too expensive. 20,000, it was too expensive. It reached 65,000 just a couple months ago. Right now, it's currently sitting at 50,000. Even then, you might think to yourself, this is too expensive. But as a high value male, you got to think long term. Long term, Bitcoin always goes up. I can guarantee you within a couple years, Bitcoin will be sitting at the mid 6 figures, maybe even the 7 figures. This bull run, Bitcoin is expected to hit 100,000. Its all-time high was 65,000. Scrolling down, 64,863 back on April 14, 2021. It always goes up. Look. High value males. Look, 100. Look at, look. See, just going up. Don't get distracted by these corrections. Look at it from a long-term view, a long-term investment. Buy some Bitcoin, okay? Long-term, Bitcoin will go up. Long-term, people who invest in Bitcoin always make their money back. Now let's go into number 2. The number 2 crypto that you guys should look into investing in is Ethereum. Ethereum's sitting at 3,782. Ethereum, just like Bitcoin, long term always goes up. Look at where it was at. $10 back in 2016, $11, $1,000 back in 2018. Just last year, it was at basically back in 2020 around $200. So imagine investing your stimulus check into this. Think long term. High value males think long term. Long term, Ethereum's a great investment. NFTs are popular, they're not going anywhere. All these major companies are investing into NFT projects, getting into the Ethereum space. Its all-time high was 4,362 back in May 12, 2021. Ethereum is something you guys should have in your portfolio. Alright, let's get into number 3. Number 3, AMP. AMP. AMP was just added into Coinbase. That alone is enough. You can end this video right now. AMP just got added into Coinbase not too long ago. You guys must have this, alright? AMP has a lot of potential. It's a new project. Look, Coinbase, Binance, Bittrex, Gate.io, all the big dogs. Look, it was launched, if we look at the all-time charts, it was launched back in September 13, 2020 at a penny. It reached basically 11 cents back in June 16 when the whole Coinbase news came out. This has room to grow. It's ranked very high, ranked number 53. It's a new project. As we know, this space is going to continue to grow. Crypto as a whole is very new. Its all-time high was reached on January 16, 2021. It's on Coinbase. That alone is enough for you to know that it is something legit and that you should invest in. Alright, let's get into the next one. The number 4 thing that you should invest in as a high value male, Dent. Dent is ranked number 118. It's one of those coins that are very directly impacted by Bitcoin's movements. As we know, Bitcoin goes up, Dent goes up. Bitcoin goes down, Dent goes down. So why is that important? Long term, think long term. High value males think long term. Long term, Bitcoin is going to go up. It always goes up. People who invest into Bitcoin long term always make their money back. So why is that important? Dent is impacted by Bitcoin. Think long term. Long term, Dent is always going to go up. Look, Dent, throughout this bear market, let's see. Imagine investing your stimulus check back last year. It was basically at 0.00014 May 10th, 2020. When this bull run picked up, momentum picked up, Bitcoin hit its all-time high of 65,000. Dent started picking up momentum too. It basically reached 2 cents back in April 5th, 2021. The all-time high for Dent, if we scroll down, is actually 0.11 cents back on January 9th, 2018. This was after the whole, basically around the whole massacre where the whole crypto market crashed. Think long term as a high value male. Dent is going to go up long term, alright? As long as Bitcoin goes up long term, Dent is going to go up. Alright? And let's get to the next one. Quantum. $13.23 right now. It's on Binance. It's on KU Coin, Bittrex, the big dogs. Check this out. Rank number 85, right? Before you even look at the chart, let's scroll down to the all-time high. $99.87 back in January 7th, 2018. It's at $13. It reached basically $100 back then. It's currently sitting at $13. Investing it last year, it was pretty much at $3, $4. Hell, if we even go back to like April 2020, it was at $1.20. It's currently sitting at $13. Its all-time high is $99. This is a great long-term investment. It's a legit project. It's been around this space for a while. It's ranked high, top 100s. It was at $100 practically. And it's sitting at 13 right now. You guys, you got to get some quantum. And I'm out.